This is the group at the Sensory Garden that we will be rejuvenating in the summer of 2018. Here we are visiting the park. Here we are working in one of the classrooms. Some of our sketches and process.
Before sight, before speech. It is the first language and the last, and it always tells the truth. Good morning, and thank you all for coming to our presentation. We would first like to thank our sponsors, Kiwanis of Litchfield, National Endowment of the Arts, Arizona Commission of the Arts, SRP, USAA, Arizona Community Foundation, Glendale, West Valley Arts, West Valley Mavericks, and Wells Fargo for helping fund.
Say something. This is our wind chime.
This is our wind chime. It took forever. It came. We've done it.
It didn't take forever. One of the 5 parts of the park rejuvenation is a metal canopy that will hang in the center.